In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Systeme.io. Adding a payment method in Systeme.io is a two-part process, and it's important to understand that from the beginning. First, you connect a payment gateway to your main Systeme.io account. Then, after that connection is in place, you can activate that payment option on the checkout pages inside your sales funnels. So in this walkthrough, we're focusing on the account connection part, which is the foundation for accepting payments properly. To get started, log into your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or avatar. This opens the account menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Systeme.io keeps your main account configurations, including payment-related options. After you're on the settings page, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down through the available options until you find Payment Gateways, then click on it. This section is where you manage the payment processors that can be linked to your Systeme.io account. Systeme.io supports several native payment methods, including Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Razorpay, Flutterwave, and even cash on delivery. Depending on your business location and the type of customers you serve, the best option for you may vary. Stripe and PayPal are often the most commonly used choices, so if you're just getting started, one of those may be the easiest place to begin. Now, find the payment processor you want to use from the list. Once you've chosen your preferred method, click the blue Connect button next to it. This starts the authorization process and tells Systeme.io that you want to link that payment provider to your account. At this point, you'll be redirected to the official portal of the payment provider you selected. This is completely normal and part of the secure connection process. Go ahead and log in to that provider's account, then follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to confirm your business details or review the permissions being granted. When everything looks correct, click Authorize or Connect to approve the link. Once that's done, the payment gateway will be securely connected back to your Systeme.io account. That means the account level setup is complete. Just remember, connecting the gateway here is only the first part of the overall process. After this, you'll still need to activate that payment method on the checkout page of the specific funnel where you want customers to pay. And that's how to add a payment method in Systeme.io.